Aloha Kauai, here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, June 1st. Our total number of confirmed cases on Kauai stands at 20. All 20 cases have either recovered or left the island. We have no confirmed cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The count on this site is updated at noon every day. I hope many of you were able to go out and enjoy the beach over the weekend. As we announced last week Friday, we are pleased that Governor Ige approved our request to extend Mayor's Emergency Rule Number 8, otherwise known as our Beach Rule, which allows us to visit our beaches with our families in groups of no more than 10, and those who don't live together should keep a social distance from others at all times. These rules to social distance while at the beach help us to protect each other from the spread of COVID-19, but it also helps us to protect our lifeguards, who are the first responders of our beaches. This week, we recognize and honor our lifeguards during Kauai Beach Safety Week, which starts today. We want to commend and thank all of our beach safety officers who have been protecting the lives of all our beachgoers. Usually, we would hold a small proclamation ceremony at our county rotunda, but this year, we are instead going to present our proclamation here to our Ocean Safety Operations Chief, Kalani Vieira. Our unpredictable ocean environment poses many dangers. The professionalism of our ocean safety teams is the reason that only about 5% of all drownings occur at guarded beaches. But we all play a role in reducing the number of drownings and other hazards at our beaches. And Kalani is here today to accept this proclamation and tell us more on how we can promote Ocean Safety Week and keep each other safe. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce our own Hawaiian David Hasselhoff. And Jason Momoa, you can scoot a little bit over, because here comes our own Hawaiian Superman. Ladies and gentlemen, Kalani Vieira.
Mahalo, Mayor. Aloha, Kauai. As we celebrate Beach Safety Week on our beautiful island, we want to remind all of you to follow the following safety tips to ensure your safety for yourself and for your loved ones. And remember, when in doubt, don't go out. Here are the 7 safety tips that we're going to follow this week. Safety tip number 1, swim near a lifeguard. Number 2, swim with a buddy. Never swim alone. Number 3, observe the ocean conditions before entering the water. Number 4, obey all warning signs. Number 5, have an emergency action plan. Number 6, visit the Hawaii Beach Safety website. And finally, number 7, keep our beaches and our oceans clean for our future to come. You can check out the Kauai Lifeguard Association Facebook and Instagram page for more details on the beach safety tips and videos of our Keiki and Junior Lifeguard program. On behalf of the Kauai Ocean Safety Bureau and the Kauai Lifeguard Association, I want to thank all the men and women on the front line, and to all of you hitting the beaches this season. Enjoy and be safe, and remember, when in doubt, don't go out. Mahalo.
Mahalo, Kalani, and to all of our lifeguards, and of course to our Kauai Lifeguard Association for helping to support our Ocean Safety Bureau. This pandemic has emphasized how important our beaches are to our community, and you play a vital role in our ability to visit our beaches safely. We thank you all for your dedication and selfless service. Our Emergency Rule 11 goes into effect today, Monday, June 1st, following Governor Ige's approval last week, Thursday. This rule adds significantly to the list of businesses and activities that can reopen, subject to precautions like distancing and mask use where appropriate. The rule authorizes public use of indoor exercise facilities such as gyms, fitness centers, and recreation facilities. It also reopens outdoor spaces like playgrounds, skate parks, pavilions, and parks. Organized team sports are permitted, as well as personal services like spas. We have waited a long time for restaurants to reopen, and under Rule 11, restaurants may open for dining in, provided the State Roadmap to Recovery and Resilience guidance for reopening food services sector are followed. Musicians and bands can perform in restaurants as long as performers maintain a distance of at least 10 feet from all restaurant patrons and staff, and distance between performers is at least 6 feet. Performers should be outdoors if possible and should wear masks when able. To view the emergency rules and proclamations or for more information on COVID-19, visit the county website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. Kauai and Hawaii are islands of calm in this global pandemic, but the threat remains out of control in many places across the nation and around the world. South and Central America, India and Russia have very high new case numbers. On the mainland, while many U.S. states now have stable or declining daily case counts, some states are seeing expanding numbers. California, one of our main sources of visitors, has seen thousands of new cases daily in the past week. New York, Florida, Maryland, Georgia, Virginia, and North Carolina have recently seen case counts in the high hundreds. We are doing well, and we are hearing some voices that say that we should reopen up to tourism now. But the threat is still there, and we continue to work carefully with our public health advisors on our approach as we move forward. We continue to have returning residents and a small number of visitors arriving at the airport, and we know that individuals with a history of travel have been the main source of new coronavirus infections here in the state. The risk of disease from incoming mainland travelers remains significant. Testing is useful, but not a guaranteed method of prevention, so we must remain vigilant. For now, we are opening up the local economy as quickly as we can, but we are continuing to plan cautiously for how we reopen more freely to our mainland and international visitors. As we stated many times, testing continues on Kauai on a daily basis. As we resume our activities and travel, we expect new cases to appear. People can protect themselves and others in the following ways. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another. God bless and aloha.